Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post new content. Also like this video. That's the only thing that I'll ever ask of you, and that's another way to just motivate me to continue making videos for you. If you're looking for forex robots, forex systems, indicators and things like that, uh, visit the two blogs. The links are in the description box below. You witnessed what happened with the simplicity system videos. We had to remove them, so we have made a decision to just not post stuff on the forex systems and forex robots. We just post them on the blogs. So if you are looking for stuff, make sure that you visit the blogs, perhaps, and see if you can find anything that you're looking for. If it's not there, then you can always come back and leave a comment in the comments box below. We'll look for it, and when we find it, we'll just post it on the blogs. Okay, so today I just want to talk about how to avoid bad forex robots. If you have been in forex trading for a while, or if you are just starting out, you have probably already been bombarded by adverts and the sort of people selling supposedly millionaire making forex robots. Everyone nowadays seems to have their own forex robot, and everyone seems to be selling their own forex robot. So for a new trader, or even a forex trader who has been in the industry for a while and wanting to venture or try out this automated forex trading thing, it's very difficult to decide on which robot to go for. So basically, here is my experience with forex robots, and I think this should be a way of you avoiding the bad ones, because you don't want to just give people money, your hard-earned monies, and pray that they give you something that works. Most of the forex trading robots out there, trust me, and they are just garbage. It's one of those things that people are just using to make money in forex. People are no longer trading forex per se. People are now just selling these robots, indicators and things like that, and many of them don't even make their clients or their owners any money. But who cares, when as long as they are able to sell these things to people. So the first thing is, you want to be able to backtest the system. You want to be able to backtest the system so that you understand how it works, the logic behind it, um, the losses and the profits that the system can take, margin calls. Does the system get to a point of a margin call? And you backtest this system over a period of time and note down the amount of profit or losses that it takes. Then secondly, you also want to forward test this thing. Typically I suggest that you do it in a demo account or a micro account, a real micro account. So when you're forward testing, you're basically testing it live within live market conditions, in a live market environment, and see how it performs, the losses and the profits that it takes, and again whether it gets you to margin call or things like that. And you basically need to be jotting down the things that it's doing or the trades that it's taking, because you need to compare the trades that it took in forward testing and in back testing and compare them and get an average of how did it perform. Typically, if it performed well in back testing, and it performed relatively well in forward testing, then you are onto something good. But if in backtesting the Forex robot performed spectacularly, but in forward testing the robots has been taking losses and losses, then you know that it's rubbish. Another typical Forex robot to avoid is the martingale systems. Some Forex robots do come with martingale as an option. You can turn it on or you can turn it off, but others are just basic martingale systems. Those systems, if you do not know the martingale system, basically it starts taking trades one upon the other. Say if it takes trades as maybe one trade 0.01, and that trade is a loss. The next trade that it takes is 0.02, because it's trying to recover that 0.01 that it lost. And if that again is a loss, the next trade is 0.04, because it's going to be doubling and doubling. The next trade is going to be 0.08, 0.0, not 0.16. Basically it's just doubling the amount, the trades that is taking every time it loses, so that it recovers the previous losses. In a good market, it might turn out to be okay, because you might be able to recover your losses. But in a situation where the robot is trading the wrong conditions and the market is going against the robots, you do the math, it can easily wipe your account. So you need to avoid the martingale systems. They can easily destroy your account unless you know what you're doing. Then you probably need to get somebody who is reliable. I always stress on that. The robot needs to be from somebody reliable, somebody who is going to be, you are going to be able to just pick up your phone and text or call and just talk to about the performance of the robot, and they are able to be there and give you support and show you how to trade with it and things like that. So customer support is a good thing, not a person who just takes your money and runs away with it, and they just give you the robot and you are on your own. And when trouble happens, you do not know who to call or where to find them. So yeah, basically you need support. And also, if there are new development, new updates, then these people will be able to give you an updated version or a new version of the robot or things like that. So those are some of the things to just look out. Stay away from robots where the results are infrequent, they are not consistent. Then you need to test these things aggressively before you can give them your money to trade. Then I said there are some robots like the martingale and things like that that you should be avoiding. Don't touch those ones, they will destroy you. And support is important, that you get support from the people who develop the robots. Okay, so that should help you decide or avoid the bad Forex robots. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment in the comments box below. Like this video. Until next time, bye.